effects of olive oil. Avoid olive oil if you have these health problems. Olive oil is a versatile oil extracted from olives, typically by pressing. It's renowned for its rich flavor, with variations ranging from delicate to robust, depending on the type of olive and processing method. High in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it's a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and valued for its health benefits. It's used for cooking, dressing salads, and even skin care due to its moisturizing properties. Olive oil is generally well tolerated, but excessive consumption can lead to weight gain due to its high calorie content. Some people may experience digestive issues like diarrhea if consumed in large quantities. It's also possible for individuals with olive allergies to experience allergic reactions. However, overall olive oil is considered safe and has numerous health benefits when consumed in moderation. Here are 10 potential side effects of olive oil. Number 1. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to olive oil, experiencing symptoms like rashes, itching, or swelling. Number 2. Digestive issues. Consuming large amount of olive oil can lead to digestive discomfort, including diarrhea or bloating. Number 3. Weight gain. Despite its health benefits, olive oil is high in calories and consuming it in excess may contribute to weight gain. Number 4. Gallbladder issues. Excessive consumption of olive oil can exacerbate existing gallbladder problems or lead to the formation of gallstones. Blood pressure. While olive oil is generally beneficial for heart health, excessive consumption may raise blood pressure in some individuals. Number 6. Skin irritation. Applying olive oil topically may cause skin irritation or acne in some people, particularly those with sensitive skin. Number 7. Potential for contamination. Poorly stored or low quality olive oil may be contaminated with harmful substances, leading to adverse health effects. Number 8. Interference with medication. Olive oil may interact with certain medications such as blood thinners, affecting their effectiveness. Number 9. Acidity. Some individuals may experience acid reflux or heartburn after consuming olive oil, especially on empty stomach. Number 10. Potential for oxidation. Olive oil can become rancid if exposed to light, heat, or air for prolonged periods, leading to the formation of harmful compounds. In conclusion, while olive oil offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation and be aware of potential side effects. Include individuals with allergies or underlying health conditions should consult with healthcare professional before incorporating olive oil into the diet or skincare routine. Additionally, choosing high quality extra virgin olive oil and storing it properly can help minimize the risk of adverse reactions.